children, welcome to Commander Group of Schools Math class. Before starting today's class, let us discuss what we learnt in earlier class. So what you learnt in last class? So some expanded form of decimal numbers. Expanded form of decimal numbers. Again, conversions. So we discussed 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 meter 100 centimeters. 1 meter 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter 10 millimeters. So this is big to small. Correct. 1 kilo. Kilo to meter. Meters to centi. Centi to milli. That is big to small. Suppose small to big. That is meters to kilometer question. Meters to kilo. So 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Correct? 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Before what we discussed that 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So that one only 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000. So small to big means we are doing division that. So meters to kilo. Don't confuse this. 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Correct? 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Or 1 centimeter equals to 1 by 100 meters. 1 by 100 meters. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. Correct? 1 centimeter 10 millimeters. So like that, how to convert milli to centi now? Think that 1 millimeter equals to 1 by 10 centimeters. Correct or not? So 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Correct? Then 1 meter 1 by 1000 kilometers. 1 centimeter 1 by 100 meters. 1 centimeter 1 by 100 meters. 1 millimeter 1 by 10 centimeters. So like that, kilograms to grams or grams to kilograms. Kilogram, 1 gram. First, big to small. We will come big to small. That is 1 kilogram. How many gram? 1000 grams. 1 kilogram, 1000 grams. So now 1 gram equals to 1 by 1000 kilograms. 1 gram equal to. Small to big means division. 1 by 1000 kilograms. So rupees. 1 rupee, how many pies? 1 rupee. We know everybody that 1 rupee has 100 pies. So this one, how to convert pies to rupees? 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupees. 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupees. So this is conversions. Big to small. Big to small means as usual we will dividing that. What are the units? 1 kilometer 1000 meters. 1 meter 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter 10 millimeters. As usual we are taking that. Small to big means 1 by. So like that questions are asked here. See now coming to topic. This is discussed already. Now express in rupees. Question is given in pices they given. Question is pices given. But asked in rupees that. Question is asked in rupees. So small to big. So question is 9 pice. We know 1 pice equal to 1/100 rupees. Correct? 1/100 rupees. Now how many pices given here? 9 pices. So therefore 9 pice equal to 9/100. So whatever given pices, not only 9, suppose 25 pice given, 25/100. So pices is converting into rupees. So always we will divide it by 100 only. So now once you see how many zeros here? 2 zeros. But we have only 1 digit. So we will take one more zero, that is 0 point, common that 0.09. 0 point, this is common. So how many zeros? Observe here, 2 zeros. That's why 2 digits before we will keep decimal point. But how many digits we have? Only 1 digit. That's why we are taking 1 0. That is, this is common, 0 point common. 09 rupees. So 9 pice equal to 0.09 rupees. Suppose second question is 77 rupees. 77 rupees 7 pice. Once see this one and that one. What is the difference? That question and this question. 77 rupees 7 pice given. So here before question only pices are given, correct? In this rupees given, pices also given. So first rupees also we will convert into pices. That is big to small. We will multiply. We know 1 rupee has how many pice? 100. 1 rupee 100 pice. So we will multiply 77 into 100. Plus we will add this question. Then we will get total pices. How many pice? 77. So 1 rupee. 100 pice. So how many rupees given here? 77 rupees given. So 77 into 100. So now this is pices. 77 rupees, how many pice? 7,700 pice. So plus 7 pice we will add that. So that equals to 7,700 plus this one 7. So now total pice this. So what is the question asked? That rupees we asked. The question is rupees. So pices is converting into rupees. So we will divide it by 100 this. So that equals to here 7707 by 100. So how many zeros in denominator? 2 zeros. So from right side 2 digits before decimal point. 1, 2 here. That is 77 rupees. 77 rupees 07 pice. So that is conversion. 77 rupees 7 pice given. So first here big value given, 77 rupees given. That's why we multiplied by 100. So 77 into 100. Then we added this number. So coming to next one, third one. Third question is 235 pies. Simple question, same. First one and this one same. Correct or not? First one and this one same. So direct paisa given, we will divide it by 100. Paisa to rupees. So 1 paisa equal to here 100 rupees. Now how many paisas given? 235 paise given. So that is 235 by 100. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. 2 digits from right side. That is 2.2 rupees 35 paise. 2 rupees 35 paise. 235 paise question. Question asked in rupees asked that. So this is conversion. Rupees to paises or paises to rupees. So here rupees to paises first we converted here. Then easily we divided by 100. Why means question asked in rupees. That's why 77 rupees 07 paise. Okay, now that is question number 2. So coming to third question, that is express 10 centimeters in meters and kilometers. That is, once you observe clearly here, centi to meter, again kilometer. That is small to big. Centi to meter, again centi to kilometer question. So we know 1 centimeter 1 by 100 meters. Correct or not? 1 by 100 meters. So that one first you write 1 centimeter 1 by 100 meters. Then how many centimeters given? Question 10 centimeters. So 10 centimeters equal to 10 by 100. 1 0 1 0 cancellation. Then remaining 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So what is the denominator? We have 1 0. So 0.1. So 1 decimal before decimal point. 1 digit before decimal. That is 0.1 meters. See, we know question up to meters we got answer. Up to meters. Then we want kilometers now. So we know 1 meter 1 by 1000 kilometers. So given question write as it is 10 centimeters equal to 10 by. So if you multiply by 100 we get meters. If you multiply by 100 same number 1000 we get kilometers. That's why given question by 100, if we multiply by 100 we get meters. Then multiply by 1000 we get kilometers. That's why question is same 10 by 100 into 1000. Whatever given here. Suppose 45 centimeters given question. So 45 by 10 into 1000. So 1 0 1 0 cancellation. Remaining 1 by this value. But once you observe here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, but we have only 1 digit. That's why 0 point common. That 0 point is common. We will take 3 zeros. Here 1. Total 4 digits once you observe. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. That's why 4 digits before. Otherwise, this number divided by 1000. We get same answer only that. That is some confusion. That's why this is the easy method that. Okay na this. So 10 centimeters convert into meters, again kilometers. In this, second one is, 2 questions are given in this. First one 10 centimeters. Second one is 45. 45 millimeters. So this is the percent. 45 into centi. First you have to convert into centimeter, again meters, again kilometers. So first you take solution. So what is the percent? 45 So 1 1 millimeter. So 1 by 10 centimeters. So how many millimeters given? 45. Take that one. 45 equal to, so 45 by 10. So 45 by 10. 1 0 we have. So that's why one digit before decimal point, that is 4.5. This is centimeters. Now milli to centi. Then what is the percent? Meters. So again we will write here milli completed. Then centi. 1 centimeter equal to 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meters. Now what is the percent? You write that 45 That is 45 by, so what is first value? 10 into 100. That is 45 by 1 2 3 zeros, 1000. So once you observe here, how many zeros here? 3 zeros. But we have only 2 digits. That's why we will take 0. So as usual we are keeping common. That is what is that? 0 point is common. Then 0.045. 0.045. This is, so centimeters to meters. Again kilometers is that time 45 by whatever given percent, 45 give. So 45 by 10 into 100 into 1000. Then we get the answer at last that. So 45 by 10 into 100 into 1000. So we get kilometers, that last one. Third question continuation this. 1 meter is 1 by 1000 kilometers. Correct? 1 meter 1 by 1000. So what is the given question? 45 equals to 45 by 10 into 10. 100. If you divide it by 10, we get centi. If you multiply it by 100 meters, same number if you multiply by 1000, we will get kilometers. That. So this is centimeters. This is kilometers. So 45 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. But how many digits are there? 2 digits. So 0.2 digits. So leave it these 2 digits, then 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. This is common. 0 point is common. Then we will take 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is kilometers. So already we got answer. That answer by 1000 we get direct answer also. That is some confusion. So this is some easy. So first divided by 10. That is milli to centi. Same question. 45 by 10 into 100. That is meters. Again 45 by 10 into 100 into 1000. That is kilometers. This is easy process that. So whatever you know that method you follow that. Otherwise second answer. What is second answer divided by 1000? We will get same answer only. Okay, so milli to centi, again meters, again kilometers. That. So coming to fourth question, grams is converted into kilograms question. We know 1 gram equal to, alright, 1 gram, 1 by 1000 kilograms, small to big. So that's why 1 by. So how many grams given here? 190. So that one you write here. So 190 grams equal to 190 by 1000. Then how to simplify this? So 0 0 or direct also we can write any one correct only. See 0 0 cancellation. Then how many digits? 2 digits, 2 zeros. So 0.19 or suppose 190 by 1000. That is how many zeros now without cancellation? That time 190 by 1000. That is or 0.190 kilograms also we can write that. Anyone correct only. Coming to second question. So this is 190 grams given. Second one is 247 grams. Question. 247 grams. Same method. So 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. So percent, what is given? 247 grams given. So 247 by 1000. So now 247, how many digits? 3 zeros. So 0 point common. Then 247 kilograms. That is question number 2. So coming to question number 3. So I am writing here. So listen first, after I will give time for writing. Third question, 44 kilograms, 80 grams. This is some different question. See once. Before all grams direct given. But here kilograms to grams both mixed that. That's why kilograms convert into grams. How to convert? Big to small. So we will multiply. So we know 1 kilogram 1000 grams. That's why 44 into 1000. Then we will add this number. So that step you write first. So 41 kilogram 1000 grams. So how many kilograms? 44. 44 into 1000. So now this is grams. Now again how many grams are given? 80. Then add that. So 44,000 plus 80. Add these two values. 44,080 grams. Now easily we can convert into kilograms. So what is the process? We will divide that. We will divide now. Why? Small to big. So 1 gram equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. Now question write 44,080 grams equal to 44,080 grams by 1000. So now how many zeros? 3 zeros. So 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. That is 44 kilograms 80 grams. 44 kilograms. The third one at last 44,080 grams. So how many zeros here? 3 zeros. So 3 digits before decimal point. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 44.080 kilograms. So that is some different question. This one kilograms to grams both are given. So kilograms first convert into grams. That's why we multiplied by 1000. So that we got after grams. Then already given grams we added that. Then total grams we got that. Total how many grams? So divided by 1000. So I get kilograms. So that is question number third. That. Coming to next question, expanded form. So already I explained starting only expanded form. How to expand? So I will explain in this 5 questions are given. So I will explain one question. Remaining you practice that your own. See question number 1 55.5 5.55 303.03 30.303 1234.56 given. So in this, so box method I already explained that one tabular method. That method is easy. Or if you know here ones, tens. This is 1 by 10. That method also without table also we can do that. So with pencil you mark it here. This is 1, this is 10. Here 1 by 10. Then 5 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10. So with the table also we can write, or with the table also our wish. See, question is so 3 boxes you prepared that. First one, so 5.5. So I know this is ones place, 1 that is units place, 1, this is 10, here 1 by 10. So then 5 into 10, 5 into 10, then 5 into 1 plus 5 into 1 by 10. So now 5 into 10, 50 plus 5 into 1, 5 plus 5 by 10. So this is our without table also we can write the direct. That is here 5 into 10, 5 into 1, 5 into 1 by 10. So like that final answer 50 plus 5 plus 5 by 10. See, coming to here, once see that what is the place value this? Unit place 1. So that's why 5 into 1 plus. So decimal right side, that is 1 by 10, 1 by 100. 10th place, 10th means 1 by 10. So hundredths, that is 1 by 100. So 5 into 1, 5 plus 5 into 1 by 10, 5 into 1 by 100. So like that, this one also 1, 10, 100. Correct? 1, 10, 100. So prepare table here 1, 10, 100. So then 3 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Like that you follow that. So I explained one question. So remaining 5 questions, remaining 4 are there. That 4 questions you practice that. Same model. So we are doing this is second time that expanded form. You prepare neat table, then write the answers that. Easily you can write that answers that. So this is 5th question. So next place values are there. Place values, again word problem, multiplication of decimal numbers, division of decimal numbers. Division, multiplication, some word problems are given in these decimal numbers. So all of you complete this expanded form question. I explained one question. Remaining 4 questions you do your own. Try that. So second time I am explaining this. Already do these questions I explained. So this is from exercise 5th question that. That's why I explained one question. Remaining you have to do that. Remaining questions. So if you have any doubt, in this, we will clarify in doubts clarification class also. So we are conducting doubts clarification. So on that class also you can ask the doubts if you have. Already 2 times I explained that. So that's why everyone have to complete that work. Okay. So this is today's class. So tomorrow class, that is next class. So what is the place values? Place values, how to find? Suppose what is the place value of 5? So they will ask what is the place value of 5. Then suppose here, what is the place value of 1? Or what is the place value of 6? We know place values. So that is one. Some questions are given, 2 word problems given, again multiplications. This all we will discuss next class. Okay, children, this is today's class.